And you got a rolling now, ain't you, brother?
Yeah.
They won't let. We don't have any scraps.
David, while you're flying that drone, I'm gonna get them sheep up here. I ain't been rude, but I gotta do it before dark.
All right.
I won't leave it a few minutes.
I'm trying to see if there's a bear up in there or something. Yeah, I'm only 144 feet up. I'm going to go higher.
What if it wasn't there before? Do you not get them in first?
No. I can't part if I get them in first, Dana.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's see, where's the thing here? Oh, let's see. What's he calling for, the dog?
The sheep to
Oh.
back over in the field.
But we'll go up there and we'll see what that is. I don't think that's a bear. See, that's not a bear there, is it?
I can't
that's
tell.
just a black spot up there. Let's get up a little closer.
There's cattle up there, but I don't know. I don't know if they're still up there or not.
Something up there.
Yeah, I see it.
All the way up there?
On top.
Yeah, something black up here. It's real black. I don't know what it is.
See right there? There's something there, I just can't.
Yeah, it's cattle.
Is it cattle?
Yeah.
Let's go down a little bit in elevation. I'm up pretty high. I don't know if there's wires up there or not. You need to get him a little dirt bike to get down there. Yeah, those are cows, I can see now. Yeah, well, that's weird that the bears walk through there when there's cattle up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can see them now. I'm closer.
Yeah.
Wow, they are way up there, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah, it's up near the, not too far from the top. See, there's the top.
Wow, they are real. I see them up there. Oh my goodness.
Oops, I can't tell where I just moved the thing. Yeah. I'm just looking down from where I'm at.
Yeah.
Lowering the camera.
Oh, that is so neat. That is cows, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, he was. That's what he's doing.
Oh, there's some. Oh, there's a house or something up in there. I didn't know there was something up in there.
Yeah, it's a cabin.
Oh, it's a cabin? Somebody's hunting cabin or something?
Yep.
Oh, see, look at there's a little hunting cabin up in there.
I hadn't seen that in a long time.
Oh, it drops back down in the little holler back there.
Did you feed the cats?
Yeah.
So everything's been fed?
Yeah.
See, there's a holler in there. I didn't know there was a holler up on the other side there.
Yeah. Where you at? Let me see. Yeah. I got my specs.
Well, there's the... Oops. We thought maybe those were bear, but they're cattle.
Yeah.
And then there's a cabin. I saw a cabin somewhere.
It's on up here.
Yeah, so I think it's behind the trees. I went forward and up.
Look at it.
Best hunting in the country is right over in this holler over in here.
Yeah, let's go
Oh,
see if
man.
I can go up even higher yet.
Yeah.
So there's the top right there.
Yeah. Bring it back a little bit. It's cool, ain't it?
I get glare on the screen. I can't. Okay.
Can it come back this way?
I can drop the camera or I'm coming back.
Yeah, come
I'm
back
coming
a little
back.
bit. Yeah. Right there's the best holler in the country to hunt in. Right there. Man, you wouldn't believe the stuff I've killed out of there.
Is that right?
That's some real hunting in there.
Yeah, I didn't even realize there was a holler in there until I got that up there. I thought it just kept going up.
Blow it point right there.
Blow it down here?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Go over this way. Can you go that way?
Yeah, I can go whichever way you want.
Yeah.
You want me to look down or straight up or what?
Come on down and go back that way. I just want to look down here at the pond and stuff. I think it's cool.
Strong wind. So it's windy up there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
Gotta watch my battery if it's fighting wind, strong wind.
Bring it over this way. Yeah, come on back this way. Yeah, that's over on the
Oh,
wall.
that's cool. Look at that.
Yeah. That's over on the Dollar Rock side.
I don't know if you can see that or not.
Yeah.
Well, Isaac rolled down the holler right here when he was a kid, was ginsening.
Mm-hmm.
But he took him a tumbling. Just
Oh.
so a tree got him caught. Yeah.
Okay, where's the... Let's see if we can turn
come
this
right
way a
back
little
this
bit.
way.
Trying to see if I can see where the pond is at.
Yeah, keep turning. You're over on Dollar Rock Road there. Keep turning. The pond is over here. Oh, right here's the pond, over this way.
Okay, so go this way then?
Yeah. Yeah, that's my neighbor's house up there on the hill.
Okay,
Here.
so which way is the pond?
It's down here, right there.
Okay. You want me to drop down a little bit?
Yeah, go to the pond. That is cool.
I don't want to drop too much because I don't know where there's wires in. If I
Yeah.
hit a wire, I don't want to lose my drone on a wire.
That's Herman's. That's on the hill above the pond. That's Herman's and his barn and stuff. Man, that is neat. Come up a street now with it. That's neat. Just come up Buckhorn with it.
Okay, go.
Like you're gonna come right up the road.
So that's Buckhorn right here? No.
Yeah, yes, Buckhorn.
That's Buckhorn?
Yeah, right there's the pond.
So going this way is to your house?
No, going this way is my house.
Okay. Oh, I thought the pond was on the right as we come up. That must be a different pond.
Is. No, it's it right there.
Oh, there. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this. What's down here?
I don't know. It's a sinkhole.
Oh, okay. I'm looking at that and I'm getting glare on the screen. And I could see some. I thought it was the pond, but with the glare, I couldn't tell.
Yeah.
No, I see the pond. There we go. Okay. So let's go forward.
Yeah, come up the road there.
It's burning a battery because it's fighting wind up that high. Let's see if I can get it over here. Let's go sideways. Yeah, it's fighting the wind.
That ain't that neat.
Yeah, that's why it's jerking. It's fighting some wind.
Now go. Man, that's a neat little deal.
I'm gonna look the camera up and see we're over here, right?
Yeah.
So there's the ridge. I'll just stop here and see if we can spin it.
Might see us standing here.
Ooh, it's jumping because the wind is catching.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Warning, aircraft battery at 39%.
Hurry now! She
Yeah,
scares me.
it's really windy. Okay, I'll make sure I'm going the right way here.
I thought she meant she was serious. You better land this baby.
Well, when it's windy, there's some good headwinds up there, and when it's really windy, it'll kill your battery because it's trying to keep everything stable.
Yeah. Or you got choked on some corn. I guess she'll get over it. She's got the shoestrings hanging out of her mouth. She'll do that sometimes. See her standing right there? Back
Okay.
legs spread left.
Where are we at here?
Right here. There's the barn.
Okay. Let's go down. We're up pretty high.
I hear it, but I don't see it.
Yeah, I think it's like right above Pat's driveway.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, here you come. You can drop down, yeah. How high are you right there, David?
250
Warning,
feet.
aircraft battery at 30%.
You see it now?
Yeah, I see it. And that's 200 and what?
250 is where I was at. Now it's 239. I'm dropping it down a little bit.
Boy, you think it's a lot higher than that.
It looks higher because it's not a very big drone.
Up her head here.
Huh?
Flight rolls up her head.
All right. Ooh, I better get the thing down here.
Look here, guys.
Oh, come on, dude. He better be high enough. That's the first time I'd seen a plane out here since we've been out here. And of course, see, he's supposed to be 400 by aviation regulations.
Yeah.
He's supposed to be 400 feet above the whatever high point he's at. So from there to there, he was not at 400 feet.
No, 200.
Yeah.
That's the Batmobile.
Oops, going the wrong way here.
How high is that?
That is
70
60 feet.
Okay, I said 70. Watch out, sir.
I know, I see it. I suppose I better, now that we're getting closer, I better take it out of sport mode. Go a little slower.
Flat over those hopers.
I was going to fly it over your head. Gina said she'd give me 10 bucks if I hit you in the head with it. I said, yeah, I'll wreck a $500 drone for 10
Warning,
bucks.
aircraft battery at 20%.
If that were the case, I'd be somebody who voted for Biden. Come on, go down. There you go.